Is my furnace still under warranty? Determining whether your furnace is still under warranty typically involves several steps. Locate the furnace serial number. You will need the serial number of your furnace to check its warranty status. This serial number is usually located on a sticker or plate on the furnace itself. It may also be listed in the owner's manual or on any warranty documentation you received when the furnace was installed. Contact the manufacturer. Once you have the serial number, you can contact the manufacturer of the furnace. You can usually find the manufacturer's contact information on their website or in the owner's manual. Provide them with the serial number and any other required information. Warranty lookup. The manufacturer's customer service or warranty department can look up the warranty status of your furnace based on the serial number. They will be able to tell you if your furnace is still under warranty and provide details about the warranty coverage. Warranty terms. Be sure to ask about the specific terms of the warranty, such as the duration e.g., 5 years, 10 years, and what is covered e.g., parts, labor. Warranties can vary, so it's important to understand what is included. Proof of purchase. In some cases, the manufacturer may ask for proof of purchase or installation, such as a receipt or invoice from the HVAC contractor who installed the furnace. Have this information ready if it's requested. Previous maintenance. Keep in mind that some warranties may require regular maintenance and servicing of the furnace by a licensed technician. If you have not been maintaining your furnace as required, it could affect the warranty coverage. Remember that warranties can vary depending on the brand and model of your furnace, as well as the terms and conditions set by the manufacturer. It's important to contact the manufacturer or a qualified HVAC professional to confirm the warranty status and any potential coverage for your specific furnace.